And here we are, planet Rilgar. First I'm going to this place. I usually go always first here. Hide with this place. Come here. One of my favorite glitches of all time in Ratchet Clank history is located in this place. Problem is that I can't really show you guys it. So right now I can't really show it. Well, if I can do some extra parts. I'm not planning on doing how to get all bolts and how to get all skill points because there are lots of guides on YouTube, so you guys can easily find one. But what the thing that I'm planning to do is when I finish the game, I'm going to my complete save file and I'm going to show you guys the prologues. It's prologues or it's epilogues. I don't know. It's epilogues, right? I don't know. But you unlock some sketchbooks and I'm going to show you guys those. And I'm going to show you the full list of skill points. All those things. But I won't be doing any collect all gold bolts. I mean, I used collect all gold bolts for this game already for the game in the PS3. So as you guys can see, there are already lots of things here. Let's see if I can jump there. This is the place we can do the glitch where I can. When this place is filled with water, you can go through a wall there. But it's only recommended when you have the hydro pack for Clank or something, or whatever it's called. And it's also recommended to have the O2 mask. I remember that first time I got through this thing, it was like hell. I died a lot of times trying to finish this portion of the game. That was kind of a fail. Now I might die because of that mistake. This final segment, it's the place that I used to die, but I managed to survive. I usually go through that a lot faster, but but because of the fact that I fell into the water, I kind of screwed myself over. Yeah, as you guys can see in this game, there's a glitch that when you enter the water or you use the second, the meter kind of gets in that place.
Over. Captain Quark don't want no more reporters bugging him in his trailer.
Oh, you see, my friend and I need to speak to the captain about a matter of galactic security.
You mean you and your walking camera? You paparazzi make me sick. Now beat it!
But sir, I'm sure the Captain Quark will understand once we...
Now, save it. I know how it works. You convince me to let you in, you snap a picture of the captain in his underpants, then you sell a picture to the info tabloid for $1 million bolts!
You've got it all wrong!
Meanwhile, I'm stuck here making 6 bolts an hour, and I have to listen to a lecture from that cheapskate Quark. So you don't get in unless I get a kickback. In advance. You see how it works? You grease the hinges, the door opens.
Seems legit.
Captain Quark?
What's that?
It's Ratchet and Clank, Captain. You know, from the
Oh, yes, I know who you are.
You do?
Yes, and thank the galaxy you found me.
Huh?
There's an awful plot being hatched to destroy our planets.
Ratchet, he knows.
Great. Does that mean we can go hoverboarding now?
My friends, we're all in grave danger, and I believe that together we can put a stop to this madness.
Together? You mean you want our help?
Look, Ratchet, I've been keeping an eye on you. I'd never seen anyone with such raw talent. You are a true hero in the making.
Really? You mean I could be famous?
Oh, absolutely. Oh, here, take this. What makes one man toil in obscurity while another becomes a hero? Is it strength, compassion, determination, or just pure blind luck? Wise men through the ages have struggled with that very question, but Captain Quark knows the secret. That's why he's been able to defeat more despots, rescue more damsels in distress, and save more civilizations than any other hero in the galaxy. Now is your opportunity to see if you've got the stuff heroes are made of. This infobot contains coordinates to Quark's secret base. Can you quickly conquer Quark's killer cannonade of confounded contraptions? Can you Quarkly quick? Oh, just make your way through the defenses to the center of the base. Prove yourself, learn the secret, and earn your place in galactic history. Consult your doctor before attempting any strenuous exercise. Not responsible for death or dismemberment. Your results may vary. Meet me at my headquarters.
Hey, Captain Ratchet, what do you think?
We won't fail you, sir. We promise.
LOL. So open this door. Oh, come on. I love the music from this city. This planet, I mean. This planet, as well as Iridia, they come back in Ratchet Clank 3, which is awesome. There's a skill point for turning one of those tanks into a chicken. Trophy and a skill. Come on. This good keeps on, I'm going to die. Also, it's in this place that we can buy the most powerful weapon in the game. Thing is that it's also the most expensive one. It's jaw-dropping the price. But compared to the money you need to get the one trophy of this game, well, it's not even compared. There's one a trophy that simply is stupid. And I think the only people who have the platinum trophy, the only way they got it, it's by kind of... It's not cheating. It's a way to get many bolts quickly. And that's what I did. You have to glitch the game a bit. And you can get that quantity of bolts in, let's say, about a night. That's more or less what it took me. Yeah. I mean, it's still a bit far away, but it shouldn't take that long right now. I don't know why the hell I'm using so much lamp ammo. First time around, I barely used ammo. Come on. That's why, also for some stupid reason, I'm being hit a lot. And here's it's our dealer, I mean, weapon salesman.
Rhino for your robot. Trade you.
Well, okay.
Ratchet.
I'm kidding. Sorry, he's not for sale. What's a rhino anyway?
Rip ya a new one.
What did you just say to me?
RYNO. Rip ya a new one.
Why, that's the most powerful missile launcher in the galaxy. I know it's worth a lot of bolts. He must have stolen it from the Blarg.
Stolen? Look, trash can. Did I say's anything about it being hot? You better watch your mouth or I'll...
Wait, don't tell me. Rip you a new one.
Oh well. See guys, it's kinda costly. It's not very cheap, but cheap. Oh, what the hell? Might as well pick up the ammo, right? Is there any nanotech around here? Yeah, there's some. Luckily there's some nanotech because I'm really going to need it. Okay, I'm full ammo again. What? You hit me? Fucking bastards. Ah. Oh, from here. I almost wasted all my ammo. This way it was way faster. Now, is it this way? Yes. Yes, it is. show you guys how to get. Oh, that was necessary. I'm going to show you guys how to get a gold bolt. Freaking amoeboids. Actually, the amoeboids were created by Dr. Nefarious. Did you know that? If you need it now, you know. Now on how to get the gold bolt, if I'm not mistaken. Oh wait, I can't go to this place. Need to keep on going this way. Here we are. Of course, now we will need to fight some enemies. Oh no, actually we don't need to fight anyone. Did I miss these bolts over here? Oh, only one? I thought I was going to need more than one. Now we're going to race in the Hoverboard, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, yes it is. I'm also going to show a pretty funny Easter egg. Many of you might not know it. This is the other door that leads to the one that we opened earlier.
Welcome to the HoverCon Intergalactic Hoverboard Competition. Captain Quark's giving away a brand new Platinum Zoomerator to the winner of this competition.
A platinum zoomerator. Perhaps that will be the proof of your accomplishments that Skid's agent requires.
Wait, do you guys mean Skid McMarks?
Yeah, Skid couldn't make it, so we're here to, you know, fill in for him.
Guess we'll see about that.
So let's see if I can show you guys the. Oh, come on. What? Keep looking at the girl, please. Seeing anything different? If no, I'll give you guys a hint. Oops. Okay, I don't think they grow any bigger. But as you guys can see, her boobs have grown quite a bit. Thanks, Insomniac, for showing us these fun, for giving us these funny moments. Oh wait, I haven't played this race since I finished this game. It has actually the skill points for finishing this race and 135, I suppose. I think 135. We need to cut some. Second place, not bad. Wait, I'm still in second place. What? my god, that was a fail. Oh, what? Dude, this was a fail. I'm going to lose this race. Oh, I can't believe this. I mean, I won. I even. What the fuck? I have to continue. And my hands are sweating all over the place. Oh, I've lost this. Crap. I mean, oh, what the fuck? First time I didn't lose this race in years. What the hell? I'll continue, of course. Why do all these guys look like skidman marks? What? Oh, screw this. Ah, come on. Stupid cord. Ah, I'm going to quit and enter again. Oh, come on. Ah. This is annoying me pretty much. What the hell was that? Why couldn't I jump? What? Didn't even notice the crate, bomb crate, whatever it's called. What? What the fuck? I mean, what the hell? Where's the guy that's in first place? Yeah, let's see if I can finish this.
Hi folks, Captain Quark here. It is my distinct pleasure to introduce this year's HoverCon Intergalactic Champions. Let's give it up for newcomers,
Ratchet and Clank.
Hey, look! That's us!
Today's winners will take home a brand new professional-grade Model T15 Platinum Zoomerator. Manufactured by Gadgetron, this hoverboard drive delivers more lift, speed, and maneuverability than any other anti-grav device on the market. Well, folks, that's all the time we have. Tonight, remember to set your infobots to the Quark Classic channel for tonight's episode of Dogfight Over Death Canyon, starring yours truly. Thank you and have a Quark-tastic day.
Okay. Before ending this part, I'm going to do a radio, and then we're going to continue from there. Here it is, a radio. Let's go to Skid's agent.
Fantastic! You got it! Great work, kid.
So, are you gonna represent me?
You bet, kid. And as a signing bonus, I've got this.
Cool helmet.
That is a sonic summoner. It is used to attract sand mice.
Right, and it's all yours. Well, I'm off to finalize the paperwork. I'll have my people call your people.
Do you have people?
The sonic summoner allows you to interact with the mysterious and intelligent sand mice species. Despite their innocent appearance, sand mice are very effective and aggressive hunters. Simply equip the sonic summoner when you are near a sand mouse house, and a mouse will emerge to greet you. If the mouse likes you, it may offer a bit of high-caliber tactical assistance.
Yay, you can now summon sand mice. Hello there, sand mice. Sand mouse. That's right, kill them all. Here we go to Umbris.